All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to bring you some PITAKA. Yeah, this is the Z Flip 6, and this is one of the best cases you can get. These ultra thin cases are all good. I like Binks, I like PITAKA, I like anyone who brings an ultra thin case to these devices because I don't like to wear cases on my device. You guys heard me say it multiple times. I like to have the devices out like this. And then when I do go out, I want to have something that's nice and thin as though I don't even have a case. And that's where companies like PITAKA come in. Now this color right here, it is the color I originally wanted when I had them send these out to me when I requested. This is the MOONRISE. And this color is a really limited color, I found out. So this is the case that it comes in. You can see here, you can pause that and read it or whatever you want to do and, you know, check out the specs on it. Beautiful packaging. I mean, you can't hate on their packaging. They typically have really nice packaging. And this is the way it comes with the case and everything. So let's go ahead and lift this out. And then that is all that's in there. And you get this portion here, and you get a few more things in here just for you to read and check out how to do it. You can scan the QR code and it tells you how to put the case on, and that's pretty much it. Really nice. And now we'll go ahead and slide these apart here. And first, let's take a look at the case itself. You can see you have like these little grippy areas here. And you can see how with this particular case, they have like a different color ring around the camera, which I think is really, really nice. And it should snap on fairly quickly. As you can see here, PITAKA loves to do MagSafe, or the MagSafe technology. They basically have easy mag and things like that. But this is what you're going to need for something like this, because this phone is so compact and so nice. It's nice to know that you can use this right here. And you can also, if you have wireless charging items or charging things that go on there, it's going to be great for you. So let's go ahead and open up the phone here and let's go ahead and slide on. Typically, I'll slide them on like this if I need to. But the top portion here, I'm going to go on like this. And it just pops right on. Wow, that is freaking beautiful, folks. Oh, this color here, this MOONRISE is absolutely stunning. I can't get enough of it, man. So on the side here, you can see the cutout for the power button and the volume rocker are always going to be open for this phone. And make sure you're looking at, when you're searching for cases, make sure your microphone holes are cut out. Here they all are. Make sure everything is cut out on a case. That way, you know you're going to be able to get the full functionality of the phone, even though it's in a case. Now, when you look at the camera modules now, they are definitely recessed down inside of the case there. So you actually have protection for those people that might accidentally lay it down or drop it like this. Now, I'm not saying that this will protect your phone from heavy drops, but what I will say is, I've dropped my phone in ultra thin cases before and they survive. They survive. I've dropped nearly every phone I have with an ultra thin case on. And this for someone like me, this helps me to want to use a case. Now, with that being said, PITAKA also has this right here, this magnetic slim light ring here, so with the NFC chip. So obviously it's going to attach here. So let's go ahead and pop this open and I'll show you the product here. Let's get ready to troll me. And there you are. It even says MOONRISE on there to match the color of the product, man. This is fire, folks. This is really, really nice. Really, really like this. And obviously, it's going to work on the back of the device. Now you've got a strong magnet on here, man. This thing is nice. And then you can see it can move around like this. It's not meant to do that, but it will move around like that. And then boom, you've got a compact, I mean, and for those people that have smaller hands also, that could be a thing for you. But this case, this phone doesn't have any kind of kickstand cases, a lot of them. So this is what you're looking at right here. This is really nice, a great setup. If you want something like this, I think it's a nice setup. It really brings this compact case to life. So you've got this magnetic ring here with multiple uses. Oh, that is strong, folks. That is nice. So PITAKA has come through again with something that's great, man. Like they're always coming through with something that's really good, and I really can appreciate what they're doing here. So if you're in the market for a case combination, if you're in the market for something good, if you're in the market for something that's ultra thin, you just don't know what you want, you've got the ring here and you've got this beautiful Moonrise case. Ugh, I just love the Moonrise. The color is so beautiful. And it works with wireless charging, wireless products that have the wireless batteries. I have plenty of those, but this is in fact a strong enough magnet to where it's gonna last. And I have the technology in my car too, so I will in fact be using this in the car as well. So there you have it, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.